What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a easy install video. Yeah, the lighting's a little bad right now. That's why I'm doing this install video. Lasfit, my sponsor, they sent me some interior lights. I'm going to be installing them to the map light, the dome light, the trunk light. They also sent me out some free brake light and reverse lights. I'm going to be swapping them out with LEDs. I'm going to show you the little process as we go along. Here we go. Alright guys, so first you want to get your pry tool, put it over here in between these. It's simple, just pop it out like that. It unclips. Yeah, every time I say something simple it always gives you a little headache, but it's real simple. Pops out. Got a little bulb right there. Ah shit, turn that off. It's a little hot right now. Let's pop the other side out because it's not turned on yet. Pop that off too. Turn that light off. Alright, so to take them out, just grab the bulb, wiggle it a little bit. Comes right out. I'm going to be replacing with an LED bulb. Put it in. Goes in the same way. Click it in, turn it on. Wow. Yeah, look how much of a difference that is. It's so much brighter. You can actually see in my interior now. Yeah, shout out to the sponsor. I got their floor mats too. All weather floor mats. One of the best floor mats around. Let's pull this one out too. That shit gets hot quick, yo. Wiggle it out, comes out easy. Put the new one in. Bam. That's super bright. I don't even need my flash on right now. Look how bright the interior is. Alright, now let's do the dome light now. Alright guys, now for the dome light, I use this tool. It's a little skinnier on the end. You just stick it in here. Wiggle it a little. It pops right off. Yeah, I lost that shit. Went between my seat. I'll get it. But this is the same thing. Little bulb. Wiggle it off. Comes right out. This is the ones you'll be using for the dome light and the map lights. LEDs. They are LT10 white. Open the package. Take one out. I think I might have some extra ones. I guess I'll just save them. And it's simple. Put it right back where the other one was. Turn it on. Wow. That shit's bright as hell, yo. Definitely don't need my flash in here no more. You can actually see my whole interior. Yeah, don't mind that. Shit's sick, but let's go and do the trunk now. All right, the rear trunk, I'm using one of these. You can use either end, but if you go on this side, there's like a little push pin, comes right out. I'll show you. See that right there? You just push it in, it'll be facing towards that side. You pull the bolt out. I'm gonna put that one in. It's a T10 again. That one, put that there. Before the shit gets hot. Let me unclip it so it's a little easier. Yeah, that was easier. Came right out. Get the other one. Put it in. Same spot. Push it in. Plug it back in. Damn, I can't see. Pretty cool. Wow, look how bright that is. There you go. That's simple. Look how much brighter. I can actually see my trunk now. Alright, let's get on to the taillights. The taillights, you're gonna need a screwdriver. Take that one off, take that one off. And then there's like 2 push pins here, you just pull and it'll all come out. Alright, so I'm gonna use my screwdriver. Sorry, I got a video by myself. Camera's a little everywhere. First time ever taking these taillights off too. Here's what the before looks like. Reverse lights. Like I said, I'm by myself right now, so I'm not able to show you the brake lights. I'm gonna try to do something after. Get the pins out, it's a bitch. There's one. There's 2. Alright. The reverse light's gonna be that one at the bottom. The brake lights, I believe, is the black top one. No, might be that one right there. Let's see. So I didn't fully record it, but look at the big difference. There's the reverse light. So much brighter. I'm gonna step on the brake so you can see it. I brought my tripod out. Alright, so alright guys, so the reverse light's gonna be this one. Take it out, put the bulb in. The brake light is this one over here. Just twist it, comes right out. There's the 2 bulbs. Just pull it out. Comes out easy. Same with the reverse light, just pulls right out. And these are the new ones. They're the brake lights. That's these ones, that's the part number. And these are the reverse lights. That's the part number for them. LT15. This is by Lasfit. Yeah, my sponsors. Like I said, they sent me some free stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is put the brake light in, reverse light. Then I'm gonna show you the aftermath. I'm gonna put it all together and show you it. Alright guys, so I'm all done. It's all put back together. I'm gonna show you the final result. Look how dark it is with this damn material. Can't see shit in here. Watch. LED. 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 Now you can see everything. You don't mind the little mess back there. The car seat. But I just want to give a special shout out to my sponsors, Lasfitautolighting. That's their Instagram. Go give them a DM. Tell them 10th Gen Civic, aka JTA Media, sent you there. They're my new sponsors. They hooked me up with a whole bunch of lights. And yeah, it's pretty much worth it. Like, I can actually see my interior now. The yellow halogen is so fucking ass from the factory, man. It's worth the upgrade. Inside my trunk, I could actually see in my trunk now. for when I make my food deliveries. For all you all that know me out there, I'm a pizza delivery guy. Yeah, I make the money, so don't be hating on what I do. This is why I'm trying to start my new YouTube career, and hopefully it takes off, and that's up to y'all. You see how the like button, the subscribe button down there? Make sure y'all hit that. Stay tuned for next videos. I'll have more street racing videos, drifting videos, donut videos, and pretty much anything that goes on in the car scene out there. Give me a follow, like, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, 10gen Civic, JTA Media. I share all the events in my stories for updated events. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see y'all out there. I'll get some videos of your cars. Just let me know, and I'll be gladly assured enough to film you. Just let me know. All right. Peace.